Hi folks, Randy with Guarantee again. Doing another Apex by Coachmen. Very nice small lightweight travel trailer and a 21 footer. Let me show you the insides. So as we go in, we're going to notice one thing right away. We got a full walk around queen bed. We have his and her nightstands. And up in the overhead front we have USB pickups for your cell phone chargers and laptop, etc. for charging. Overhead storage. And a nice deep slide out. That's elevated with a full wraparound seating area, so you can seat up to 6 people. It does convert, of course, down into another bed, which is really nice. Some nice cabinet storage in the thing. The kitchen countertops are all a one piece again. They're a laminate construction. They're not a Formica, so they're a solid surface. Nicer faucets in my house. Good pull extend wands, deep sinks, 60-40 split. A nice 3-burner stove with sealed burners. And this has a stainless package, so our microwave above, our stovetop, our oven, our refrigerator are all stainless accented. Makes it pretty sharp. We go to the bathroom, and for a small trailer, it has a huge shower with a nice skylight, so for the taller people, you can still get in there and shower. Very functional and not a curtain. Nice potty and nice storage cabinets on the right-hand side for all of our clothes and linen, and a bathroom sink. So a nice big bathroom. In a comfortable, nice, small living area. Our entertainment's on the wall. It's on a bracket. But this gives pretty much what everybody asks for, a walk-around queen bed with a slide-out with a great bathroom that's small and lightweight. Very high-end product. Does have some nice features on the outside as well, so we'll go outside and show you how those are. The main thing about these little lightweight trailers is they're all aluminum frame. They're all vacuum bonded. And this has the new bus style windows that are frameless, so there's no putty tape behind them. They're a rubber gasket, which makes it nice. They don't ooze out later on. Tandem axle with nice aluminum wheels. Nitrous in the tires for air instead of regular air, so they don't leak and bleed down as much. Our awning on this is almost full length. It's power with an LED light bar underneath for lighting up at night. Around the back side we have our stability jacks on the corners. We have our spare tire mount. Come around this side, we have our outside shower, our black water flush, our city water connections, our cable and satellite, our Marine Co. power hookup, so you have a separate cord, which is nice. You don't have to kind of ram it in a box and be all tangled up. It stores in the front. Outside shower, our water heaters here. And this is a gear-driven slide-out, top and bottom. That's a big plus. Instead of having the cables, those cables will stretch and they always need attention, and they goop up in the pulleys. This is a lot better system. Stays true, even pressure in, even pressure out. And then on this far end, again, like all the Apexes, we do get our magnetic latches on the outside, which is nice. They're not plastic, they don't break off. Rubber gaskets, full pass-through stuff. There's our power cord. Slam latches for baggage. And then the key thing on this model is the fiberglass front cap. Wraps completely around the edge. No seams anywhere for water to get forced in from wind when you're traveling. Nice power tongue lift. There's a cover that does go on the bottles that comes with it. We supply the batteries. And all in all, a sharp looking coach that's lightweight, that tows great, that has some big qualities. Big bathroom, big shower, nice walk around queen bed. It fits somebody's quality of life really well. So if you want some more information, you want to come look at it, come out and see me at Guarantee. Have a great day.